Welcome. If you want to use one-handed mode in your ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings, then click on the search and right here type hand, and here we have one-handed mode in the features, so let's go for it. It's turned on, so right now when we tap and hold the back button we will be able to enter the one-hand mode, so let's try it. Let's tap and hold. And right now we are in the one-handed mode. With this arrow right here we can change it from the right or the left side of the screen. It depends how you want to use it. If you want to exit, you have to click on the arrow on the outside, and of course we can right here really easy use it with one hand, right? And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.